Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing accounts so the connection works reliably. First, enable POP in Gmail under Settings Forwarding and POP/AMAP. This lets Yahoo fetch mail. If you use two-step verification, make an app password in Google account and copy it. You'll need it to authenticate. Once done, open Yahoo Mail, go to Settings, then Mailboxes. Make sure you have both Gmail address and the app password ready. Now you're set to add Gmail as an external mailbox in Yahoo. Next, configure Yahoo to fetch mail and send as Gmail. When adding the mailbox, choose Gmail and try the OAuth sign-in first because it handles authentication cleanly. If you enter settings manually, use POP. Gmail. COM on port 995 with SSL for incoming and SMTP. Gmail. COM on 465, SSL or 587, TLS for outgoing. Authenticating with your Gmail username and app password. Make sure to decide whether Yahoo should leave copies on Gmail. This preserves mail in both places and avoids accidental data loss. Finally, complete setup by testing both receive and send functions. Send a test message from Yahoo using your Gmail from address and confirm it appears in Gmail and Yahoo inboxes. Once working, tweak folder mappings and create filters so messages route properly. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is authentication. Recreate the Google app password, ensure POP is enabled in Gmail, and retry the OAuth grant in Yahoo. If persistent, clear browser cache or try a private window to eliminate session issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.